FX Nation, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're just going to take a quick look at some of the setups that we had today during London. So today was actually kind of quiet. We only ended up getting 2 trade setups, but the trade setups that we got were really good setups and were really clear, which is the most important thing. One thing I can't stress enough about is, a lot of traders, whenever they get into trading, you first have this feeling of, because the market is open, I need to be in the market because I'm missing out on something. And that is the biggest bunch of BS that you can tell yourself. Just because the market is open doesn't mean that there's a trade available. Okay? Especially if you have a strategy, right? So if you have a strategy that you've backtested and you've known how it works, you know that you're only looking for very specific things to happen, and if those specific rules don't happen, then you're not in a trade. And I think the faster you can wrap your head around that, the easier it's going to be for someone new trading. Is the fact that if you don't see it, it's not there. And if it's not there, then why are you trading? So real quick, guys. So let's just take a quick look here at Pound USD. Pound USD here, as you can see, we had a Type 2 setup. We're right here in the Asian range, and then right out of the gate, we had a Type 2 setup where it didn't go below the Asian low, and we got a W out of it. And this one here went out to about 86 pips or so. So very good trade and a nice pickup here. As you can see now, we could potentially get a push back down like that. We don't know, but that is potential to see that happen, but who knows. But anyway, so that was one of the trades, and then the other one was Euro USD. And on Euro USD, very similar thing happened. We just had to wait a little bit longer for it, but out of the Asian box, we set the W on a Type 2 formation, and same thing. This one here was about 78 pips or so. So two very good setups, and those were the 2 best available setups for today. You can look at other pairs, and you can always think about, what if this, what if that. At the end of the day, if it's not clear, then there's no reason to take it. If it doesn't meet your rules, requirements, there's no reason to take it. I can tell you that there was a nice little setup here during the US session on pound Swiss here, and this was not taken, but you can see here that you could have taken that one, and that would have been around 50 pips or so. But again, when you have different things going on, we had a lot of this today. We had a lot of this, a lot of these blocks, just back and forth on different pairs, and yeah, so it really just it wasn't the best. Look, you see that here, just a bunch of it all over the place on a lot of the pound pairs. So yeah, it wasn't wasn't worth it. As we're talking right now, you can see that you could have potentially something like this develop here. So you can see how these are forming out right now. So but we're done trading for the day, but those, that's a potential trade right there. But yeah, those are the only ones that we picked up. Those are the only 2 that were clear today. And so easiest, easiest ones to trade, and hey, we're going to take the easiest ones to trade. It did look like we did miss one from EuroCAD though, and I'll show you that one here real quick. And essentially, it would have been during the U.S. session, but we're essentially talking about, you know, price moving up, and then you get a star pattern here, and then you move it down and at least get it to here, to water, and that's, you know, that would have been like 30-40 pips there. So but again, you know, we like to take the clear setups, the ones that are easy to see, and if they're easy to see, then they're easy to trade. If they're not so easy to see, and you have to think about it, and you have to guess, and you know, try to see what kind of pattern it is and stuff like that, it's really just not worth trading, right? So just take the easy stuff and be happy with it. You know, be content with it, because if you can find, think about this: if you can find one trade every day that gives you 60 pips, okay, I can tell you that if I can find one trade that gives me 60 pips every day, I can live off of that 60 pips every day. You know why? Because you can just increase your lot size to make for the difference. That's only one trade, right? So just think about that. 60 pips, you know, at a standard lot typically will bring you what, $600, you know, on a standard lot. If you have two standard lots, that's $1,200, you know. So 3 standard lots, 1,800. You keep going from there. So I mean, at the end of the day, if you can just get 50 to 60 pips, you know, and then manage everything via your lot size, I mean, you know, who cares about catching 50 trades in one day when you can just catch one at 60 and just have it a really good one, good 60 pip trade, but you're trading it with 3 lots, you know? So you're making what, 1,200, you know, or actually 1,800 per that trade. You know what I mean? So it doesn't make sense to be chasing. You don't chase these trades. You know, you let the trades come to you. You know, but anyways, so comment below, guys. Let me know what you think about the 2 setups today. And the next video in the Forex U series drops tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for that. Once again, guys, enjoy the rest of your day of trading. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntradinggroup.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.